Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you top 5 beauty products under 500 rupees, and people always want, obviously everybody wants discount and everybody loves discount. So all the products I am showing you are under rupees 500, and all these beauty products are on off right now, and usually also they are for under 500. So guys, let's get started with the video. So the first product which I want to show is under 500 and all the beauty products, which is this Maybelline Moisturiser. I really love this moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer. I will highly recommend you to use this moisturizer, and this is under 500. You will love this moisturizer, so you should give it a try. And this is for, I will just show you, this is for 250 rupees. And this is the cream for dry skin treatment. Actually everybody can use this. It's a very nice moisturizer. I highly recommend you to try this. So this is my first thing under rupees 500. So now the second thing which I want to show you is this, the Falsies Push Up Drama Waterproof Maybelline Mascara. If you have not tried this, guys, please buy this. It's a very good mascara. I have also ordered right now only. I showed in my Nykaa haul and I loved it, so I thought I will just show you under my 500 rupees. So this is right now on off, and this is for 480 rupees. So you should buy this. Just give it a try, the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. If you like long lashes and if you're a fan of long lashes, so you should give it a try. This is for rupees 480. The next thing what I want to show you is under rupees 500 is this Maybelline highlighter. You must have seen I always show you this highlighter whenever I do my makeup, because I love this highlighter. This highlighter is very good highlighter. It will really give you a very nice glow over here whenever you apply this. And this is the shade I am using is Molten Gold shade, and this is under 500 rupees, and in discount this is right now on 440 rupees. So guys, if you want, you can just go and just check it. This product, it's very pigmented. I'll just show you the pigment also. This is very pigmented, you can see, and when you apply this, this will really give you very nice glow over here. So you can just go and check it out, this product. The next thing what I want to show you under rupees 500 is this K Beauty Kajal. You can see, guys, this is also a very nice product, and I really love this Kajal. This is for I think this is for 299, and right now off is going on, so this will retail you for 254. So guys, just give it a try on this Kajal if you want any Kajal, if you're looking for any Kajal or any beauty products under 500 rupees. The next what I want to show you is this Nykaa liner. They have many shades in this liner, and if you like very colorful eyes, and you are very fond of colors, then you should give it a try. They have green, blue, very different types of color shades are there. And it's not very expensive if you want to just give it a try. So this is, I think this retails for 299, and on the discounted price is 254, and the K Beauty Kajal is for 215. I just mismatched it. So this is for 299, the original price, and discounted price is 254. So guys, if you want to try different colors and if you want to try it at budget, you can just give it a try. And they have very different types of colors in this. So you can just go for the pretty colors if you want. Okay guys, and the 5 products are over, but I'm showing you one extra product in this. So this is in Wet n Wild eyeshadow, and this is very inexpensive. This is only for 120. You can see it's a very nice product if you want to buy only, if you're traveling and if you want to buy only one eyeshadow. The pigment of this is also very good. You can see, guys, it's beautiful pigmented, and it's only for 190, and it's very travel friendly. So guys, I think I have shown you very nice products under 500 rupees, and these are very inexpensive. You can just give it a try. And if you want, if you want me to do the series on this, do the series every month, so that you can know the products which are affordable and are under 500, and you will get the benefit of that. I hope guys this information was useful to you. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Please subscribe to my video. Please hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys. Take care. Stay healthy.